request a sound to increase the sound for even Naga, sir? Yes.
Hi.
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 Hi. As charming as ever you are.
Thank you.
And looking dapper, मेरा पहला सवाल is no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your fans and audience, I would like you to answer to the media, how does Naga sir stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
ఓకే ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లరికం వనక్కం సబ్కు నమస్కార్ ఎల్లరికూ నమస్కార How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become too fun and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa and Criminal and Zakam and Angare and other films, and also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the north. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then. This film is very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was all so very good.